Looking for a fun and versatile art tool? Check out the Persentu Stencil Set. Made from durable, safe polypropylene plastic, this set is perfect for kids and adults alike. It includes uppercase and lowercase alphabet stencils, numbers, and special characters. Ideal for creating beautiful signs, art projects, or personalized gifts. Whether you're decorating scrapbook, making greeting cards, or just exploring EI art, this set sparks creativity and improves hand-eye coordination. You'll find the purchase link in description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Nakleo drawing stencils, the perfect creative tool for children of all ages. Each set includes 8 durable, flexible stencils in vibrant blue and orange colors, featuring themed designs like animals, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and fairy motifs. Made from high-quality polypropylene plastic, these stencils are easy to wash and reuse on various surfaces such as paper, fabric, or wood. Support your child's artistic growth and imagination today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect journal inserts for your traveler's notebook? Meet the Wanderings and Notebook Inserts. Crafted with acid-free, cream-colored 120 grams per square meter paper, these inserts resist bleed-through and are gentle on the eyes. Hand-stitched for durability and featuring rounded safety corners, they fit most. The 5-size traveler's notebooks, including Wanderings and Midori brands. Each set includes 3 booklets with 40 sheets, totaling 120 pages each, ready to inspire your creative journaling adventures. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the RIVIEVAL Stencil Kit, the perfect set for creative kids and adults alike. This kit includes 4 durable plastic stencils with uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters in bright red, yellow, green, and blue colors. With 4 different sizes, it sparks endless imagination for making signs, art projects, and personalized crafts. A fun way to teach letters, numbers, and colors while enhancing hands-on skills. Your purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for endless fun and creativity for your kids? The Nuoshen Stencil Set is perfect. With 24 beautiful and fun designs including animals and unique patterns, it keeps children engaged for hours. Made from high quality, washable and durable material, these stencils are great for sidewalk, chalk, painting, drawing and more. Whether for arts and crafts, school projects, or imaginative storytelling, it's a wonderful gift that sparks creativity. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.